we see this year and a part of next year that oil demand is driven in terms of region is Asia. Asia means China, but also you add South Asia and Southeast Asia. So Asia, including China, we see this year drive like 70% of the 2 million barrels per day of oil demand growth we see for 2023. So 2 million barrels per day we see for this year. And next year is moderated a little bit, but still 1.9 million barrels per day, even though the role of Asia is kind of slightly lower. But we see given some improvement of the global economy after 2023, we see some kind of improvement of the demand in countries like the US and a region like Western Europe. So those regions will improve a little bit. So overall, we see 1.9 million barrels per day of demand growth in 2024.
ما هي في رأيك دكتور وو الأسباب الرئيسية التي ضغطت على أسعار النفط بالرغم من التخفيضات المتتالية في الإنتاج من قبل تحالف أوبك بلس؟
We feel that the oil market prices are driven by fundamentals and market sentiment. So the market sentiment is more or less dominating. We are in a critical juncture because the fourth quarter of the year usually is a lower demand growth globally, while supply is just built as normal. And now we are turning into the summer. We do see that fundamentally the market is tightening up. However, the market doesn't see it. The market is looking for signals. So until the market see a really tightening of the global inventory, the market look for things that in a different way. When there is a supply issues, and then any sign of the economic weak of the economy send a signal to the market. I think currently that is the influence, but we do feel that the fundamentals are tighten up towards July, August. Not the whole year, not towards the end of the year, because end of the year, the inventory may loosen up again, become loosened by the end of the year. But July, August, and September, we'll see maybe the test to see that oil price may go up again.
أخيرا في ضوء ما سبق من حديثنا، ما هي توقعاتكم لسعر خام برنت مع نهاية العام الحالي، خاصة في ضوء امتحانه مؤخرا لمستويات $70 للبرميل؟
Yeah, so if in a short period, in a short term, for the next 2 or 3 months, given our analysis that we see inventory tighten up, we see that on an average basis, a monthly average, we see the dated Brent maybe return back to $85 or above, like $86, $87 in a coming month. But we'll ease up towards like $82, $83 by the end of the year. And next year, we probably will see the repeat, like a week in the first quarter and getting turned around in the beginning of the second quarter and then in the summer. So average, we see that the next year, the oil prices is about $84 around that. Surprisingly, that is about the same as this year. So it's more or less 23, 24. The dated Brent average out, other than the volatility, average out about $84, $85, maybe $84 on average for both years. That's like down from $101 average last year.